Hi and welcome to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Corpse Reviver number 1. So I have made Corpse Reviver number 2, which is my preferred version out of the two. I'll link to it here. It doesn't have too many views, but it's actually a really good cocktail and one of my favorites, so make sure you go check it out. There's actually, the two cocktails are very different. There's not just a substitute of one ingredient from going from the number 1 to number 2. Number 1 is a Brandy, Calvados and a Sweet Vermouth, whereas number 2 has gin, citrus and a little bit of absinthe. Like it's a very different cocktail, so make sure you go check it out, and it's delicious. If you've got the ingredients, make sure you try it and make it at home. So both cocktails are featured in the Savoy cocktail book by Craddock, and I believe this recipe there's actually lower ingredients, but I'm going to bump it up a little bit so I can do a full size in the Libby Embassy coupe, which is this glass. And yes, I actually pronounced it correctly. I always say coupe. The first time I've actually called it a coupe. I've been wrong for many years. We also sell this glassware on our website, so I'll link to that in the description below in case you like it. But let's get started on mixing the drink, and I'll start with the brandy, and I'll measure 45 ml, 1.5 ounces, and add that straight into the mixing glass, followed by a Calvados. So 22.5 ml or 3/4 ounce. And then sweeten that up with some Sweet Vermouth. 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. So this particular recipe in the book, Craddock says that make sure you drink this before 11 AM or any time that you need extra steam or energy. To be honest, it's meant to be like a drink for hair of the dog for when you're hungover, but I couldn't think of anything worse drinking Brandy, Calvados and Sweet Vermouth, at 10 AM when I'm super hungover. Sounds horrible. So add ice to your mixing glass and give it a stir until it's adequately diluted. Give it a taste, see if it's diluted to your liking. Obviously, if you're making the drink for someone else, probably don't lick the spoon and then serve the drink. So into a chilled coupe glass, strain it straight in. And garnish with a twist of lemon. It's pretty funky looking lemon, but there you have the Corpse Reviver number 1. Cheers. Smells like brandy. I don't really drink a lot of brandy, or Calvados for that matter. It's probably not my cup of tea. Personally, I'd probably like to sweeten it up a little bit, add a bit more Sweet Vermouth. It does, with that citrus in there, it does smell quite vibrant, but not for me. I prefer number 2. Make sure you check that one out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.